Check out this wild heist caught on camera. In under 45 seconds, a group of thieves pull off a daring robbery, stealing 6 sports cars from a Kentucky dealership. They quickly change the license plates and speed away furiously, showcasing their audacious and highly coordinated plan. The speed and precision of this theft are truly shocking. One moment the cars are safe in the dealership, and the next, they're gone. Talk about a high-speed getaway. Guess the thieves watched too many Fast and Furious movies. At least the dealership knows what it feels like to be taken advantage of. What do you think about this bold robbery? Let us know in the comments.